Camera not working on Windows 11 fix. So if you're having issues with the camera application, so right here, even if I open camera right here, if it shows a black screen or something like that right here, it says because you might have also disabled camera's privacy settings. So to find it, you can just type in privacy settings right over here and just go to privacy settings on your computer right here, right? And there are many options right here. What you want to do is simply search under app permissions something called camera and enable camera access, because chances are you must have turned on camera access, especially also for the application that you're trying to use camera. Make sure that you've enabled it there. Even after you've enabled this, if it's not working, just try to check the individual app for the camera app, for the game bar app, for any other app, streaming apps or anything that you're using. Just make sure to enable this. After that, you can also try to go to Windows Update and just check if you have any sort of update, and make sure to update your Windows to the latest version. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.